Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while ever since I've uploaded a video. So now we have a new product which is Kuvings Auto 6 which I got in Amazon's Prime Day sale for a good discount looking at the current MRP. So this is gonna be my first cold press juicer. So let's see how it is. First quickly unpack it. For the MRP on the box it is showing as 39,900. On the Amazon it was showing as 99,000, but I got it for like 17,000 something after all the bank discount. So let me quickly unbox it. So these are all the items which you get. Surprisingly, there was no recipe book, only just the manual. I'm pretty sure it does not contain any recipe. Yeah, it does not contain any recipe at all. So this is surprising for me because for the other Kuvings unboxing, not this model, I've seen some recipe book. Like in some cases there were two recipe books, but in this case only one. So let me tell you about this one. For this, like there are multiple like 4 or 5 models. It looks like Auto 6, which is their flagship model, you can say, but this is not flagship looking at the price and the compromises. So the first compromise is it does not come with a smoothie strainer. You cannot even buy the smoothie strainer separately, so it does not have any smoothie thing at all. You can create a sorbet, but you have to purchase the sorbet strainer separately. So that's there. Apart from that, every single thing looks like the Autos 10, which is no longer available in India. It shows as out of stock. So because of this what do you call it, large area, I purchased this one because I will be able to put in more fruits and everything in one go and will be able to extract juice. I don't have to cut it into pieces. So let's quickly assemble it and see how it works. So this is gonna be my first time, so I have no idea how to do it. Yes. So after multiple attempts, I managed to do it, and it takes some time. So now we have oranges here. It is Valencia oranges, which is good for juicing. So I'm gonna add all 4 pieces. And let's turn it on. Okay. It is not working again. So this is the same video, but I had to replace the older one because that one was not working for some reasons. Like it was working for 3 seconds, then it stopped working. Like I've tried assembling it multiple times. So I hope this one is not gonna be the same. So I'm not gonna unbox it again. I will simply assemble it and see if it works. Alright, so I just checked and it is working. Like it hardly took me a minute to assemble it all. Whereas with the older one, like I was not able to press it down, this auger and this strainer. So it was like stuck or something, but that was not working. But right now, as you can see, it is working fine. So, but shape seems to be a little different for me. Like juice is over there, button is over here. Like this is the inlet for the outlet, sorry. For the juice, this is for what do you call it, the residue. So let me add 2 oranges. Like when I peeled them 2 days back. Let me wash my hands first. So let me start the machine and see if it works. So all the juice are getting accumulated over here, and this is where I will get the residue. Let's see how much juice we have got. And let me see if there is anything left over here. Just a little bit of here and there, not that much. So this is the juice. I got like, it is not even 1 cup, like 100-200 ml. Here it is, 200 ml is this much. This is close to 150 ml, if I can show you. Now let me bring a glass and taste it, but it does look good in my opinion. First, cold pressed juice does look good. Let me taste it. It is worth every penny. Like, if you ever tried orange juice in the market, like the street vendors, you get it for like 30-40 rupees, but the taste is not like this one because they use the normal oranges. This is Valencia one, which is good for juice, but you can see the color and the texture, like it is way too good, like I can say that. So just for the orange juice, it is 10 out of 10, and the assembling and everything, for now it is 10 out of 10. I will try sweet lime, which is your Mosambie, pineapple and grapefruit. I will try all these today. So I'm gonna leave it as it is, wash it, and then we'll try the other flavors, other fruits, not flavors. But I'm so happy with it so far, so a big thumbs up, and I will see you after some time. So it is more like a dry, you can barely get any juice out of this residue, so it is good in my opinion. Let me try once again. So this is it. I'm gonna press it, crush it, and it is sticking on my fingers, but you can see there is no juice residue, so this is good. So now let's see on the other side. Okay, so it's time for pineapple juice. I will see if it will work out. I have like one entire pineapple, and I'm not really sure whether I've done a great job while chopping or slicing the pineapple. So I'm gonna fill this up first. Let me do it. I'm gonna it was almost full, so let me add more. Just 3 slices are left, and this is the last one. And let me take this out. There has to be a auto switch which will turn it off automatically when all the juicing is done. Because of this portion, I am not able to see whether there is anything left, or I am not tall enough from here. But it seems to me everything is done, and juice is also done. So we got like this much of residue. It also includes that orange one. So this is the juice. First let me fill this one because I'm gonna refrigerate it and see if it is gonna go bad or not. I have to taste some as well, so let me put it here. It is good, like really good. If you're gonna try like cold pressed juice, and if you have tasted those street vendors, be it pineapple or orange, there is a huge difference in the taste. Like you can taste it and you can tell that this is something way different than that. And so because of that reason, again I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. The only thing which I struggled with was cleaning this one. Like this residue stuck in between this and this path, I can say. Like it may take 4-5 minutes to clean it up clearly, That is the only issue which I faced. And I can see some more bit of juice which has accumulated. So with one pineapple I got like this much juice, and you can see it is clear and thick, not watery. It is good. So for Kuvings Auto 6 Gunmetal, like it is more like a replica of Auto 10, but once again this does not comes with your smoothie strainer, so only not come with, but you can purchase separately the Solby one. So I'm gonna keep it, I'm not gonna return it. So I really like it. So the main purpose for me to buy this one is to replace my soda drinks like Coca-Cola or Pepsi. So I'm gonna replace all that with cold pressed juice. I'm gonna juice pretty much everything, every single fruit, because I don't really like eating fruits. You are supposed to eat fruit, but I'm not one of those people. So I'm gonna try some healthy recipes and whatnot. So for this one, it's a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions regarding this model or anything, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you have a Kuvings cold press juicer, or be it a Garo or any other brand or any other model of Kuvings, do let me know in the comment section below. And I will catch you in the next one.